Hey again, everybody. It's Tuesday morning, May 10th, around 7 a.m. I just want to recap the pH times that were put out in the video yesterday. I made three projections from the overnight low, high, and low, which are the three vertical lines to the far left of the chart. I made three projections off of those, and then we had the five normal standard pH times. So let's just kind of look through. The first one happened in an area where a consolidation had started. You can see that we had already gone into a chop mode coming into that uh, timer here. You see we've got a little low there, then a high here. We're kind of in between when we get to our trigger point. And when you get that kind of low volatility situation like that, it's best to stay out of there. What we want to see is, a cleaner pivot, clean pivots like we have on the other turns. This one here was kind of almost a similar situation. We've got the low, high, the low. If you really want to take these situations, the thing to do is use that high and low coming in there and take a breakout trade. But generally, at this time of the morning, say before 8 o'clock, you're probably better off staying away from those because the market may remain quiet. As we get into a little later in the morning, we've got a nice clean reversal here, triggering a long. The next one, where we had the double confluence, we had a midpoint trade. And what happens there when we get to the timer, if we don't get a reversal, it's often a midpoint of a potential swing. And if I throw the fib tool on there, which is already set, I'm just going to drag it back over there. If we put that on that high and low, you'll see that we're at the exact midpoint of that swing. Let's see, there's the high, and there's the low right there. So you can see that right when we cross into our time zone with the price action, we're right at the 50% of that swing. You can use that to your advantage. You can take that short knowing how far you're going to go, that you're going to move another 18 points down. And then when you get to that price at 40.16, you can take a long at that point. So it's an important piece of information to know when you don't get a reversal. Then the next projection was nice, triggered a really nice short trade. Then we had a long trade triggered here. It doesn't look like much, but it was a 13-point swing to the upside. And then the last trigger of the day gave a real nice short trade at about 3:13 in the afternoon. Really big move right there, 50, 60 points off of that one. So a lot of good opportunities yesterday with the pH trigger points.